Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we're doing is a Christmas dinner. So this is 24th night and I'm trying to just marinate my lamb. I always have lamb because I don't like turkey, and so that's my staple meat for Christmas. So this is what I have my lamb there. As you can see, I've washed it nicely and I've made some dents on it just to help the marinade, for the meat to absorb the marinade. And what I have here, I have some butter. This marinade that I'm doing is, I learned it from my mother-in-law. God bless her soul. She's not with us anymore. She taught me this, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, I've added bits and pieces to it as well. So I have my butter and I want to add a bit of onion granules, okay, and then a bit of garlic, and then I have a bit of ginger as well. And then I normally, my mother-in-law taught me to add some mustard. It gives it a very sharp taste and it's nice. Add 2 teaspoons of mustard, okay, and yeah, just mix that. And I have my herb mixture. I'm going to put this herb mixture down below so you can just use it. Just a mixture of herbs that I have blended, okay. All right, it's a lot of rosemary in it because lamb with rosemary is very, very tasty. Okay, so it depends on how you want it. I add as much as I prefer. There's salt in it as well, so I don't put that much salt. This kind of mixture I do like every 24th night, and I marinate it so that's 25th. I put it in the oven and it's really delicious, guys. So this is my marinade, as you can see. Alright, I just need a little bit more. Yeah, I'm looking for a specific consistency, so that's why. See, that's my marinade done. So I'm going to spread it all over my lamb. Okay, to spread it all over. Just wrap this. Guys, it is nicely wrapped. Okay, so as you can see, that's my parcel. I'm going to put it in a tray and leave it in the fridge to marinate. So guys, today is 25th of December, so I'm preparing my Christmas dinner. So this is what we did last night. So I'm going to put that in the oven for about 1.5 hours at 230 degrees Celsius. I'll be keeping watching over it as well. So let's see how it goes. I want my meat so well done. Okay, so that's it. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've just took my lamb from the oven and it's really cooking nicely. I want it to be in for about 1.5 hours. I want it to be for another hour or less than an hour. I'm just checking it as I want. So every 30 minutes I check it. I'm going to take out some of the juices from it because I'm using it for my gravy, and then I'll put it back in the oven. And also I have some broccoli. I clean some broccoli. I have some carrots, and I have some Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to steam these vegetables also for my Christmas dinner. Right guys, so I'm doing the gravy at the moment. Okay, so what I normally use for the gravy is the bistro onion gravy granules. So that's what I use for it. So I have some here, I poured some here, and I have some red onions that I've cut, and I have some Scotch bonnet because I like it spicy. Okay, and also I have some of the goodies from the lamb. Okay, so I'm going to use that as well to add it to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do. Right guys, so for the gravy I put some oil in the pan and I add my onions. I just want the onions to brown. Onions are browning nicely. So what I'm going to do, normally if I'm making it for myself, I normally add the Scotch bonnet now, but because my kids are having it too and they don't like spice, so I'll do that before I add the Scotch bonnet to it. So I'm adding the goodies from the lamb. Now this is the gravy that I have added water to it. I'm going to add it to it. It will just thicken up. So when it boils a little bit, then I'll take some off and then I'll add the Scotch bonnet. Right guys, so our gravy is done. It's very nice and yummy. So I'm going to take some off and add my Scotch bonnet. These are for my kids because it's not spicy. So these are my Scotch bonnet that I've cut, so I'm going to add that to it. And now let it boil for a bit, just for about 5 minutes, and then I'll just take it off. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my Christmas dinner done. I have some broccoli, some carrots, some Brussels sprouts here, and I have my potatoes, crunchy potatoes. If you want that recipe, is on my channel, so you can just have a look at it. And then I have my yummy lamb with a lot of spice on it. It's really done nicely. And I have my gravy, so I'm going to enjoy this dinner. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.